Good day, one and all. My name is Kathy, and welcome to this episode of the Scrap and Crafty Gardener. Today, I have an unboxing video from GinaK Designs. I have already opened the box. In fact, it was 2 boxes, so I opened them and combined them into one. These are the products I got from her March release, and this will probably be my last unboxing. Next month, at the end of April, I am going to the Adventures in Stamping Scrapbook Convention in Akron, Ohio. So I probably won't be buying next month unless it's something really, really, really that I want. Okay, let's get started. This will be the first box, and I apologize in advance. So just turn off your camera if you don't want to hear this sticky bubble wrap. Okay, the first one I got, this wasn't in the release, but it was just one I wanted. This is the 5x7 embossing folder called Tapestry. And I'm trying to get so where you can see that. It is just beautiful. You have leaves, foliage, and looks like berries and flowers all throughout it. And then I have this incentive set, Celebration Wreath. Wishing you a very happy, and then we have Easter, retirement, anniversary, Mother's Day, and birthday. And I did get the dies for all the releases, but I forgot, some of them I forgot to order until the next box. But they're all here. And then this is, there's the die set for Celebration Wreath. And Blessings of Spring. This is the die set to the incentive set that will be in the box down below. And then I just loved this stencil, this beautiful floral stencil. This one is called Mega Flower. Oh, I can't wait to use that one. That would be pretty with the Deco Foil Transfer Gel Duo with foil on top for the centers of flowers. I'll have to see if I can figure out how to do that. And then I have this Parisian charm. It's not something I don't think I will use for card making. I am working on some genealogy scrapbook pages, and I just thought these would be great to put on my genealogy pages. Now, let's see. Oh, yeah, this looks like a better view. I will use this random script font, and it looks like it's in French or some foreign language. Yeah, French. And I like to use that for backgrounds. But these frames are pretty. And it says, C'est la vie, I love you, bonjour, happy anniversary, happy birthday, and congratulations. So these I want to use for my genealogy pages that I'm going to be working on. All right, on to the next part. And more bubble wrap, so turn off your volume. I love their packaging. It's very well wrapped. Now, this was the first free incentive set, Blessings of Spring. And I just love that floral. It says, hello, friend. Wishing you all the beautiful blessings of spring. And you are such a blessing to me. I just love the flower. Now, this one, I just couldn't pass this one up at all. Treasured Kittens. And I think she mentioned something about a surprise of dogs for April, so I might have to buy the dogs. Happiness is finding beauty in the moment. Peaceful heart can turn every day into a treasure. And you never know what treasures you'll find until you stop and look. And I just love these cats. The butterflies are adorable little additions, and I think that's some grass. That one's called, Treasured Kittens. And then I ordered this stencil. That is a Summer Bouquet layering stencil. And you really can't see that too well. I'm trying to get it. That may be what I'm going to try this one in my video tomorrow. And then I got some Poly-Glaze sheets. Easter Delight. Little bunnies and eggs and foliage. And then I did order a re-inker for my bubblegum ink that was so dry, the bubblegum pink. I tried wetting it down and it didn't bring it back to life, so I needed a re-inker. And the last in this is the card kit. All right. A 6-inch T-square ruler came with the kit. That I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of. All right. This is the Gentle Silhouettes Stamp and Die Bundle. Oh, I love silhouette stamps. There are better days ahead. May this year treat you kindly. Be gentle with yourself. Sending gentle hugs your way. And you are so loved. See, there's a little bit of a lag in the videoing. Floral Friendship Stamp and Die Bundle. Your friendship means the world to me. Let's celebrate you. A friend like you is hard to find. Hello, sweet friend. And friends are flowers in the garden of life. And then there's 2 stencils in here. I'm going to have fun with stencils. Floral Friendship. And let's see if this card shows what, yeah. It shows it together, but not what it looks like put together. So I'll have to play with that one too. And then this one is gorgeous. This is the Mega Bloom. And that's, that right there is what that looks like. So I think I'm going to be playing with some stencils lately. Well, that was it for this haul. I will be making a card tomorrow, and I want to use this new stencil set. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Just a very short video today. I've got tons to do in the kitchen. So I don't have too much time to play today. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay warm, stay safe, and stay healthy.